Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this channel for the very first time, you're absolutely welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you this simple breakfast recipe that you can give to your kids to school or take at home as breakfast. If this is the video you want to watch, please stay tuned and watch up until the very end. Without further delay, let us get right into the video. So yeah, I started with melting my bread spread in a pan just to fry the sausage I'll be using for this recipe. I want to make so yeah, it is melted. I added my sausages and I just fried a bit to cook it up a little bit. If that makes any sense, just to cook it. If I eat it like this, I believe I'm eating it raw. So I just want to stir fry it a little bit. I'm using a bread spread because I want to infuse more flavor in this sausage, and I'll be using the same oil to fry my eggs. So let's keep on watching. So yeah, it's already cooked. You can see how golden brown and beautiful it's looking already. So I take it off the pan. I whisk my egg. I broke 2 eggs into a bowl, added salt and a little bit of grounded pepper just for some spiciness and heat, just a little. Mix it together and I fried it in the same pot that I used to saute my sausage. So you can see, just poured it right into it and I started scrambling it immediately because I wanted to make scrambled eggs. So in this I started mixing it. Let me leave you guys to watch up until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and let me know where you are watching this video from. So yeah, this is the end product. This is how it looks. This is how scrambled it came. You can see how beautiful it's looking already. So yeah, I have assembled it. I have my bread, I have my egg, and I have my sausage in their plates to go. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.